Jenna. Then what do you like? What do you like doing? What interested you in this very profession? Yeah.
Yeah, so I am a wife and a mom of three. I have three awesome kids, and they keep me really busy. So most of their interests are what my interests are. um, I have two daughters and a son, and they're 14, 9, and 6. So lots of fun ages, and I have worked in a ton of different industries. So I've been in the bridal industry, real estate, marketing, sales, recruiting, restaurant. I mean, like, I've done it all. So I have a lot of experience and life experience. And I found myself at AWeber because it was a culmination of all the things that I've done over my career. And really, it's about building relationships, and I get to teach people about how to build relationships, which is really awesome. And aside from work, I really love fashion and makeup and musicals and reality TV.
Wow. Sure. It has really make impact in your work and in the way you have taken the profession. Very lively, very lovely, and very friendly, and that is superb. That is very fantastic. Yeah, that is very fantastic. Yeah. If we want to go by the way of let us pick one. Which one should we pick now? Maybe music. Can you just give us a tune of the lyrics of the music you recently liked?
I can't sing, so I'm not going to give you any snippets, but I love a lot. There's a lot of musicals I love. I love The Greatest Showman. I love Les Miserables, Wicked. I just recently saw Hamilton for the first time. So yeah, when I have free time and when we're not shut down, I love going to see musicals and plays. But I'm not going to sing for you.
That's That's good. So that's good. So thank you so much for this very wonderful session. And to just tell you that our last session was last week Friday. Yeah, last week Friday as well. After closing, because many people could not join because of the cost of the internet something, but they read the update and they just scan through the videos to just pick one or two things. After 24 hours, we had 300 views. I think that very video has reached maybe around 700 views, which means that the message is actually going far beyond the people that are participating, and it's going to be on our website, both the summary and also the video. So you may be getting content and sign up from time to time from our platform. So this is how we actually keep rolling this very program. So Jenna, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for the energy. Thank you so much for the enthusiasm and the enlightenment. We really appreciate it. And maybe Jenna, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
don't forget to go to ads2020.aweber.com.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.